With AI, owning a 100k plus subscribers channel isn't that hard anymore, especially if you know what you're doing. Follow new trends, upload videos, analyze your best performers, and bam, you have a YouTube channel that is getting hundreds of subscribers daily, and each video will contribute to your success. Each video is an asset that will grow your channel and make you money, but only if you utilize it right. But what if it didn't work? Well, you have nothing to lose, everything is absolutely free. But what if it did work? You have a passive income now. Today I will teach you how to create short videos in a niche that is relatively new and has too many ideas and potential, and surprisingly it's fun to create in. This niche is AI image generation, where you ask ChatGPT to generate photos, but we won't be using ChatGPT itself because it's paid. We'll use a free tool called Leonardo AI. Leonardo AI does not only give you a free 150 credits once you sign in, but also you can create unlimited accounts using temporary emails, and basically you'll have unlimited credits. Alright, so let's start. Let's open all the sites we will need, all in description by the way. We'll open Canva, Gemini or ChatGPT, Leonardo, Runway, and finally any voice generator. I prefer Play HT. On Canva, choose an Instagram Reel template and change the background color to this code to match ChatGPT theme. Go to Elements and choose two circular frames and design it to look like ChatGPT. Duplicate it multiple times and create a slide transition. Alright, so now we need to think of an idea, or maybe you don't because you can ask ChatGPT. I will ask it to imagine companies as cars. So I will type in Google known companies so I can have sort of reference. And guys, you need to think critically. Use broad companies that everyone around the world knows, like Coca-Cola or Starbucks. You want your audience to be as broad as possible, and use unless you are targeting a specific country. If you said Walmart, for example, most Middle Eastern people doesn't even know what that is. But if you say McDonald's, the chances of people recognizing it will be higher, meaning that the audience watching your short is bigger. Now, each company has its own characteristics, which sometimes you'll need to specify to Leonardo. So we'll ask Gemini to generate our prompts and see what happens. So as you can see, Gemini created the prompts and I copied it, but sometimes you have to adjust it. For instance, Gemini suggested the color to be black, but I want it to be green to match the Starbucks logo. And then I downloaded the best picture out of each three. Please like and subscribe and watch until the end, guys. Alright, so after you've generated those images, you can start to put them in your video and call it a day. But if you want to go that extra mile to increase your engagement on your video, you can use Runway to animate them, which I swear will drive your retention to the sky, which is something you want if you are creating short content. You can modify the text now, and it doesn't have to be the prompt that you have used. It could be something simpler so the viewer can understand it. Remember guys, shorter text is always better. People scrolling on shorts are brain rot and they can't bear things staying for too long. They are only seeking that dopamine spike. And no offense to anyone, sometimes I doom scroll too. So let's get that out of the way. But I have my reasons. And the best thing is that you don't even need any kind of video editing softwares. It's all in Canva, even the audio. Let's go to Play HT to generate the audio. When choosing a voice, try to see which one sounds hyped and make sure it doesn't sound sort of monotone or robotic. Also, try to make the text-to-speech short to fit our images, ideally 4 seconds long. After you finish generating, align your audio with the images and you're done. I prefer that you now copy the video to your mobile and upload it and add the music through the YouTube Create app, because not only it will have better effect on the algorithm to get your video picked, But also you'll have control over your thumbnail, which you can't normally change if you upload through your PC. I hope it doesn't sound cliche, but you won't get subscribers overnight. It takes consistency. It may take months or years. But actually, in some cases, I've seen people take a little over a week before they pass their first 100k subscribers through faceless AI shorts. It depends on your creativity and desire. Please keep your fire lit. Watch Mr. Beast podcasts where he gives genius advices. Guy the Tank, he has over 14 years of experience on YouTube. And whether you like it or not, he is the king of YouTube and we gotta learn from him. And finally, Safe Tech Hub, me, would like to ask you to subscribe and hit the like button. And if you watch till the end, I really believe in you. And I wish you luck in life and in YouTube. Thank you for watching. Check out this video where I control the internet speed for the users in my house, or maybe you'd like to know how to create AI song covers.